In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT with Google Analytics. We'll use Zapier as the bridge so the two tools can talk to each other automatically. By the end, you'll have an automation that starts from Google Analytics and sends information into ChatGPT without any manual copying and pasting. Start by opening your Google Analytics account. Make sure you're in the right account and property and that you can see the data you want to work with. It helps to confirm you have the correct permissions on this property before moving on, so you don't get stuck during the connection step. Next, open Zapier in your browser and sign in. At the top, click the search bar and type Google Analytics to select it. On the other side of the setup, search for and select ChatGPT. This puts Google Analytics on one end of the automation and ChatGPT on the other, which is exactly what we need. Now, choose a trigger. A trigger is the event in Google Analytics that will start your workflow. Pick the option that makes sense for your use case. The idea is simple. When that event happens in Analytics, Zapier will pass the details along to ChatGPT so it can generate a response, summary, or follow-up message based on your configuration. Once you've chosen the trigger and the two apps, click Try it. This loads the template and takes you into the guided setup so you can connect your accounts and confirm the details. At this point, Zapier will prompt you to sign in to both services. Connect your Google Analytics account and grant Zapier access to the correct account and property. Then, connect ChatGPT by authorizing Zapier to use your ChatGPT connection. Keep in mind that you're only granting the permissions needed for this automation. After both connections are authorized, Zapier will display the fields it can pull from Google Analytics. Review them carefully and make sure they're mapped in a way that's useful for ChatGPT. Clear, well-structured inputs typically produce better outputs, so consider including the metrics or dimensions you care about, and a short instruction that tells ChatGPT what to do with them. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your automation is now live. Give it a clear name so you can find it later, and keep an eye on the first few runs to make sure the data and responses match your expectations. You can pause or update the automation anytime from Zapier if you want to refine the mapping or wording.